Hi, I'm gonna show you today how to program the remote function on the FOB Mercedes remote key. It works for any Mercedes, I think from 94 model up to 2007, whatever E-Class, S-Class, SLK, CLK, A-Class, like the car I have now. And this is the way how to fix it. This is the keys I get with the car. One is switching on the engine and remote function is functioning. The other one have batteries out for ages, so I just change the battery. It blinks but it doesn't work at all, and the remote function is not functioning, so I'm gonna fix it in a simple way. Instead of going to the agency or like the agent and paying around like 80 to 50 like euro. Okay, this is the way. This is the original fob, and it can work with any newly made fob key. First of all, you have to open the car. You open the car in the function one. So you press unlock, so the car is open. Now the car is unlocked by the original key. Now I have the non-working key. I point at the car and I press the unlock button twice. Two. So I go to the car inside, which is unlocked by the original key already. And I put the key inside, position 2, without switching on the car, and I wait for like 15 seconds. And now I switch off and go out. Okay. So now try to lock the car because it's unlocked, and it's working now. Let's see again. Unlock. It's unlocking and lock. So now the remote function key is working. And by the way, this is the original spare key I get with the car, the Mercedes. Okay, but it switch on the car. It have nothing with the module, but the remote key is not functioning. So now again, close and open is functioning. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it.